Oh, in order to implement convolution integral in Matlab, first take a new script. Now create a M file regarding the convolution. So function f is equal to x convolution bracket open f1 comma k1 comma f2 comma k2 comma d. Now f is equal to 0.01 into convolution of f1 comma f2. Then end. Now save this function as convolution function. Now I take a new script and recall this xconvolution.m to execute the program. So k is equal to 0 to 0.01 up to 5 and k1 is equal to 0 0.01 up to 5 and k2 is equal to 0 up to 5. So we are giving k1 k2 of same vector dimension and d is equal to 0.01. Now we have to give the first signal f of 1. So f of 1 is the exponential signal exp minus k1. Now take the discrete value of f1 and f2 is equal to, it is a trigonometric function, so sine function, sine k2. Now we have to convolute f1 and f2 is equal to f. So f is equal to, now we have to recall the x convolution dot m function here. So x co nv bracket open f1 comma k1 comma f2 comma k2 and d f1 comma k1 comma f2 comma k2 comma d. Now we have to calculate the initial position. So k 0 is equal to k1 bracket 1 plus k2 bracket 1 and now we have to calculate the uh, length. Now we have to calculate the length. So k3 is equal to length of f1 plus length of f2 minus 2. Now k is equal to k naught d and k naught plus k3 into d. Now we have to plot. So now we have to write the subplots to show both f1 and f2 and the convolution of f1 and f2. We have to plot in a same plot. So we have to plot 3 graphs in a single plot. So we have to make a subplots. So subplot 2 comma 2 comma 1. So plot k1 comma f1 and make it title as f1 of t. And another plot is for f2t. So again subplot bracket open 2 comma 2 comma 2. So now we have to plot k2 comma f2. So now title it as f2t. So this is the second signal. Now we have to plot the third signal, which is a convolution of f1 and f2 is equal to f. So subplot 2 comma 2 comma 3 plot k comma f. Plot k comma f and title it as f1 t convolution of f2 t. Now execute this. So now you can clearly see here. So f1 is the exponential signal, and f2 t is the sinusoidal signal, and convolution of f1t into f2 of t is equal to we got f of t. So this is all about convolution integral in Matlab.